This video will teach you how to properly collect a dry blood sample. The Mitra cartridge is provided in a sealed Mylar bag. Each cartridge contains 2 microsampling devices, referred to as microsamplers. Tear open the Mylar package using the pre-slit notch, being careful not to damage the Ziploc feature. Leave the desiccant packet inside the bag. Open the Mitra cartridge by pulling the tabs apart from each other until the 2 sides are folded downwards. It's important you do not remove the microsamplers from the cartridge. Ready now? First, wash your hands with warm water and soap. Then dry your hands completely. Next, warm your fingers by rubbing your hands and massaging the finger you plan on taking the blood sample from. Now, take the sterile lancet provided and push down firmly on your fingertip. It's highly recommended to make the skin puncture just off the center of the finger pad. You'll need full skin penetration by the lancet's tip to obtain adequate blood flow for collection. Next, wipe off the first blood drop with the gauze and allow a second blood drop to form. You're about to take 2 blood samples using the 2 microsampling devices in the Mitra cartridge. Here's an example of a proper sample collection versus an improper one. For proper sampling, take the blood with the microsampler above your finger. The tip should point downward towards the floor. Then, apply the microsampler tip to the surface of the drop of blood. Make sure the sampler tip turns fully red, and then count 2 seconds before slowly and smoothly removing it. Do this again for the second collection. Remember not to submerge the entire microsampler tip in blood. Don't sample with the microsampler underneath your finger, and don't drop blood onto the microsampler from above. Now you've collected the 2 samples, you can close the Mitra cartridge device. Return the cartridge to the Mylar bag and seal it using the Ziploc feature. Ensure the Mylar bag is completely and tightly closed and allow the sample to dry stored in the bag at room temperature. Remember, the Mylar bag should still contain its desiccant sachet,